ざいます。レニの Easy Cooking for Everyone 誰でもできるクッキング。 Hi Angel, Do you know how to make Rai rice? どうやって白米を炊くかご存知ですか？ I know you guys love it, and Japanese always eat Rai rice every day, like morning, lunch, and dinner. Most of our meal has Rai rice every day. Staple food. 主食 We always eat that. We love white rice. And then we have a good rice cooker. One each house, every single family has one rice cooker. That's our normal thing. But in here, in US, it's hard to find out rice cooker. So, Reni always make without rice cooker. I want to introduce to you guys about how to make white rice without rice cooker. Yeah! 言えた。But Reni cannot do anything without transformation. I'm kind of shy and I'm not good cooker. I'm not good at anything.
まだまだ未熟ということか。
Once Reni transforms, Reni can do everything like a supergirl, super Reni, magical Reni. I'll show you how I can use magic to make rice. Does that sound good? よし、transformation Reni. Magical Reni.com magicalrenireni.com 長く異国に住むと日本料理が恋しくなります。If you visit in a foreign country, you will miss original food. 時には食材が簡単に揃わない時もあります。Sometimes the material don't come together easily. だから工夫して他のもので代用して作ります。So I replace with other things to make. 誰でもマジカルReniどの国でも簡単にできるホームメイド日本食をあなたに Making homemade Japanese food that anyone can easily do in any country. マジカルReniクッキング。おかえりなさいませ。ご主人様、お姫様。はい、それでは作っていきましょう。クッキング開始。クッキング。まずお米を入れます。お米はReniはこれ買った。I bought this one.So and then put the how pretty does the magic food Rai rice? Then you use magical goods. That magical pot with the top. Yes, Reni is going to use magical pot today and make Rai rice without rice cooker. Rice cooking we say 炊く。ご飯を炊く。炊く is kind of like a steam. So at the first, you're gonna put in here the Rai rice.I don't know how many. You can just make it or whatever you want. Just put it here. You don't have to count it. Wash the Rai rice. Now we're gonna put the water. お水を入れて、はい、入りました。そしたら洗います。Washing. Reni is this. You should do this. I just wanted to do this way. Always do, but it's good and bad because we don't want to break the Rai rice. You don't have to wash hard, you know. So I'm trying to do this like, and then it's gonna be like this color. Can you see this? Okay, it's a white color now. We need to throw this away. The water, just water. So please be careful. And wash again. Maybe do 3 times. Or until this water is not really dirty. Make it clear. Trying to. You don't have to be perfect. We don't do that. We all not perfect. We don't have to be perfect. So this don't have to be perfectly clear. Don't waste the Rai rice. So put your hand in here and do it. So you don't lose the Rai rice. And we're gonna count the water. How much water we need is, I always count Japanese traditional thing, so I can teach you how we calculate the perfect amount of water. There's water and then fried rice. You can put your hand in here and then until first joint in here, like you can see the line of here. You can touch the rice and the water coming to the until your first joint. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to use the middle finger, so I'm gonna use this finger. Here, it's still not enough. Put the water more. So now, here, can you see my first joint? And then water, I'm touching the rice. And then here, this is perfect. So now we're gonna put the top on here and then start fire. Turn it on the gas. But Reni wants to add more the quinoa and the chia seed. I'm gonna put something healthy. So next step, Reni wants to put the chia seed and the quinoa. It's all healthy, so I'm trying to put healthy stuff. Maze maze. Mixing. Maze yo. 蓋を閉めます。チン。And turn it on the light. So at the beginning, we're gonna start strong fire. And say bye for now. When we make fried rice with the pot, Japanese said, 赤子泣いても蓋取るな. That means don't take the lid even if your baby cries. This is boiled, so it's gonna be move the top, but still don't touch it. Don't open it. That's Japanese trying to say. Don't take the lid even if your baby cries. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな. 練習してみますか? Do you want to practice? 赤子泣いても蓋取るな. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな。赤子泣いて。Don't take the lead even if your baby cries. Don't take the lead even if your baby cries. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな。赤子泣いても蓋取るな。赤子泣いても蓋取るな。赤子泣いても蓋取るな。Don't take the lead even if your baby cries. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな。Don't take the lead even if your baby cries. はい、よくできました。このようにトップがなってきてますね。This is boiling now. And it's gonna be more, but still you can't open. 赤子泣いても蓋取るな. Don't open the lid even if your baby cries. But Reni's a bad maid, so if people says no, Reni wants that. Go Reni, go Reni, go Reni, go Reni, go Reni. But don't worry, sometimes make mistake. So just try to make it lower. After coming out the water, make it slow, the heat. But it's not big deal. 誰にでも過ちはあります。Reni is twisted. なので気を取り直してもう一度。For not all perfect. People sometimes make 蓋をちゃんと閉めれば just close the top and then make heat a little bit lower. It's white rice sound coming down now and stays like this. これで10分か7、8分 like 10 minutes, 7 minutes 火を弱めて置いてください。After 7 to 10 minutes, you can just turn it off. Leave them 10 minutes. That we call 蒸す。蒸します。Like that. I'm preparing something with the fried rice right now. Some curry. Curry ってなんて言うんだっけ? In Japanese, curry. In English, I forgot. Squash? ってなんだっけ? Water? I don't know. I forgot about it. Cucumber. Hi, open. ピカピカピカ. Chia seed is a little bit weird looking, but fine. We need to mix this. Mixing. Look! It's too hot. Smells so good. それがちょっと焦げてるな。おこげ It's a little bit burned at the bottom, but still tastes good. When you finish the cooking, Taku, try to mix everything and put the top again and then leave it. Just made the rice is very good. So let's taste it. Ach. It smells so good. So good. It's so soft. Very clear, clean taste like and sweet. Okay. It's so good. Oishii. Perfect. And recall all of Japan memories. Oh, only more. Reni was eating rice every single day in Japan. Reni は日本で毎日ご飯を食べていた。たとえ雨の日でも、even it's rainy、風の日も windy、sunny、晴れでも、雪であろうと、snowy。Any day. Let's eat with something together. いて。お腹すいた。ハングリー。それでは実食です。まずは、はい、ご飯。やったー。After the cook called rice. Then it's gonna change 米 to ご飯。So this is ご飯。また米。ご飯出来上がりました。With the chia seed and then quinoa. The first, I wanna eat with the dry rice with the vegan style. The curry.いただきます。コリアンセリ。これにご飯を乗っけます。はい、美味しそうですね。これに醤油、黒キリソイソース in here。then 乗せてこんな感じで、そんでいただきます。美味しい。It tastes so good。穴開いてる。This is very healthy with the cucumber and my rice and seaweed. This is for vegan. Oishii! Oishii now. It's like a pickle. I'm so hungry. Do you know how to use the hatchet? Let's eat with another one. Reni has another idea. The next one for vegetarian. ツナマヨです。ツナ and mayo. Reni use organic mayo. This is first time I'm trying to stay healthy. So white rice, put it on the butter. Put the ツナmayo. ツナマヨ. You can see ツナマヨ onigiri rice ball in the convenience store. いただきます。Lettuce is not really tasty with this. I don't think so. You can put the salt. Then maybe okay. But lettuce, I don't think it's perfect much. I think this is better. Let's do it. Tuna mayo. Wrap it. I think this is better than lettuce. Maybe sesame would be great. Oishii! It was vegetarian. The next is the Pringles. You guys don't know, this is hatchet with the white rice. Sometimes when he eats with the Pringles and white rice, like putting like this. It's good though. You can do this, like a sandwich. Sandwich white rice Pringle. It's good. Ah, 美味しかった。The next one is the chocolate. I don't know, I never tried it. Let's try. Grab the fried rice and cut a little bit chocolate. I think it's good. Oh, a little bit chocolate in here. Not too much, not too much. Chocolate and the fried rice is good too. I think it's good. I like it. It tastes good. I can try more. It'll make bigger. It's like a rice ball. Yes. I like it. Oishii. Oishii. I want to eat one more. Next to the butter. Sweet paper. Again, it's a perfect match. Just seed and quinoa works. It tastes really good. And then put the butter on it. A little bit. Here. Like this. Okay. And then little soy sauce. Little. Then wrap it. Then of course good. It's very good. Yay! So when you feel like you're living like this, don't waste the food. You can put in here to make rice ball. Like grab like this and then make a rice ball like this. Don't forget to put the salt on it. Salt makes fried rice later really good. You can put salt in here like this. And then make it onigiri like that. If you want to put inside of the onigiri something like this is a tomato in here, or like a cutting sausage like this, and then you can bring it somewhere, your school or work for the lunch or something. Yeah. How did you feel about making a white rice? どうでしょう? Hope you guys can try it. Maybe you can do that. Easy. Try it. ぜひトライしてみてください. And then staying healthy. Try eat healthy. Reni wants to introduce another healthy things too. Please keep watching Reni's channel. Magical Reni. And then thank you for subscribe Reni's YouTube channel. チャンネル登録いただきましてありがとうございます. チャンネル登録をまだお済みでない方はチャンネル登録どうぞよろしくお願いします. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe Reni's YouTube channel. まだまだたくさん楽しいことを考えてます. Reni's thinking a lot of fun things to make more bigger community. So Instagram, Facebook, Twitter 全部やってます. And this is New York City. ここはニューヨークなのでもっと something creative I can do and fun thing I can do. I can do the like a fun event with the Japanese culture and American culture mixing together. 日本のカルチャーとアメリカのカルチャーをミックス混ぜ混ぜして何か楽しいことをやっていきたいと思っています。サブスクライブ、チャンネル登録の方よろしくお願いいたします。And then please give me a comment. I need your comment. 日本の方で見てらっしゃる方は日本からぜひ日本語でコメントいただければいつも返信させていただきたいと思っていますのでレニからのお願いです。日本語でも見やすいように工夫してやっていきたいと思っておりますのでどうぞなんかかしこまっちゃって変だよねどうぞよろしくお願いします。お願いにゃんにゃん、please give me a comment and then likes いいねもよろしくお願いします。みんな大好きじゃあねみんなまたねみんな大好き暑くなってきたよね。It's getting hot, isn't it? Reni was thinking about to go to the Statue of Liberty. 自由の女神に行こうと思ったら9月まで予約がいっぱい。But the reservation is full until September. Well, だから暑い夏に向けてヘアアレンジしようかな。So I'm going to get to change my hair for a hot summer. On the next Magical Reni, あなたを笑顔にできるように頑張ってるよ。I'm doing my best to make you smile. 必ず見てね。Don't miss it.